the perfect fit for the KC Kings? Is it James Harden, Steph Curry, or Kevin Durant? In the past 20 games, James Harden has had a total of 764 points with an average of 38.2 per game, a total of 108 assists with an average of 5.4 per game, and a total of 159 rebounds, average of 7.95 per game. In the past 20 games, Steph Curry has had a total of 542 points with an average of 27.1, a total of 110 assists with an average of 5.5 per game, and a total of 112 rebounds with an average of 5.6 per game. In the past 20 games, Kevin Durant has had a total of 522 points with an average of 26.1 per game, a total of 99 assists, average of 4.95 per game, and a total of 120 rebounds, average of 6 per game. After some serious considering, the KC Kings have decided to draft James Harden. Looking at the scatter plots, it appears that his points and assists have been decreasing throughout the season. While that is true, his averages are still much higher than the other two players. And on the rebounds, he's actually increasing. In conclusion, James Harden is the best fit for the KC Kings. He scored lots of points, he makes lots of assists, makes a lot of rebounds, and is rarely injured.